If you want to go ahead and add in an image border over here in the image that you have in Terabox slide, all you need to do is click on the slide right here. Then what you can do is click on more tools and then go around over here and enable out the border. Once you do that, you can see that you can go ahead and choose the border color as you wish and change around the border style as you want as well. And then change around the border thickness as you want as well, just like this. And this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also enable projection. That means you can see a bit of a shadow around over here. Let me hold Control and use the scroll mouse button to zoom in to see the details. Here I can change around the blurriness of it. I can change the angle of the projection and change around the distance as well. So here you can go ahead and choose the shadow color as you wish right here, just like this. And this is the projection that you get for the image file right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the image border and the projection in slide inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.